Hey beauties! Have you ever wondered how to achieve that flawless glowing skin you've always dreamed of? Imagine if the secret to radiant skin was hiding right in your kitchen. Today, I'm revealing an ancient beauty secret that's been cherished for centuries: DIY rice cream for skin whitening. This isn't just any cream. It's a luxurious homemade elixir that promises to transform your skin from dull to dazzling. With just a few simple ingredients like rice, aloe vera, and coconut oil, you'll create a powerful skin whitening cream that will leave your skin looking brighter, smoother, and more youthful. Stick around to discover how to prepare this magical rice cream, how to apply it for the best results, and why it's a must-have in your skincare routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this! So grab your notepad and get ready to jot down this incredible recipe. Let's dive into the world of natural skincare and unlock the secret to luminous, radiant skin together. Now let's talk about the common challenges people face with store-bought skin whitening products. Many of these products contain harsh chemicals and may not always deliver the desired results. That's where a more natural alternative like DIY rice cream comes in. So, why should you consider using rice cream for skin whitening? Rice cream has amazing exfoliating and brightening properties that can help reveal a more radiant complexion. Plus, it's incredibly simple to make at home with just a few key ingredients. Here comes the exciting part, the DIY rice cream making process. I'm going to show you step by step how to make your very own rice cream, highlighting the ingredients you'll need and the best method of application for optimal results. Section 1. Introduction. Rice has been a staple in Asian beauty routines for ages, known for its skin brightening and anti-aging properties. Today, we'll be turning this humble grain into a luxurious cream that will leave your skin glowing and flawless. Let's get started. Section 2. Preparation. For our DIY rice cream, you will need the following ingredients: 1 2-cup of rice, any variety, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, optional. Step 1. Start by washing the rice thoroughly to remove any impurities. Once washed, place the rice in a pot with 1 cup of water and cook until the rice is soft and fully cooked. Step 2. Once the rice is cooked, let it cool down. Then, transfer it to a blender along with the cooking water and blend until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil into the blender. Blend again until all ingredients are well combined into a smooth cream. Section 3. Application. Now that our rice cream is ready, it's time to apply it. Make sure your face is clean and dry. Take a generous amount of the cream and apply it evenly to your face and neck, gently massaging it into your skin in circular motions. Leave the cream on for about 20-30 minutes to let your skin absorb all the goodness. Afterward, rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Section 4. Storage. To store your rice cream, transfer it into an airtight container or jar. Keep it in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to a week. Always use clean hands or a spatula to take out the cream to avoid contamination. Section 5. Benefits and importance. Rice cream is packed with benefits for your skin. Skin whitening. Rice contains natural acids that help lighten dark spots and even out your skin tone. Moisturizing. The combination of aloe vera and coconut oil deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Anti-aging. Vitamin E oil helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a youthful glow. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. This DIY rice cream is a game changer in your skincare routine. Section 6. Recap and closing. To recap, making your own rice cream is simple and rewarding. 1. Cook and blend the rice. 2. Add aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. 3. Apply generously and rinse after 20-30 minutes. 4. Store in the refrigerator for up to a week. In conclusion, DIY rice cream for skin whitening is a game changer. Not only does it offer numerous benefits for your skin, but it's also a cost-effective and natural solution to achieve that coveted brightening effect. Now, I encourage all of you to give this DIY rice cream recipe a try at home. Don't forget to share your results with me in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fantastic natural skincare tips. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see your glowing results.